Hey guys, Brian here with Forest to Farm Project. I want to show you something real quick today. A lot of people say you can't really build quality cabinets with a job site table saw. Let me show you what Dad's doing over here. First off, we built an outfeed table with our Kreg track horse. It's about 34 inches wide, right at 7 feet long, so it's outfeed and assembly. The height on setting number 4 lines up perfectly with our Milwaukee Fuel job site table saw. And even though this is battery powered, a lot of people might think that's a bad thing. It's running great. I mean, we're cutting tons and tons of boards, and a 12 amp hour battery just keeps running for us. It's awesome. You get back here, and we've got a redneck setup for an infeed table. In order to get to the right height, we had to stack up two 2-inch thick pieces of foam, but that was too sticky to hold it held the wood down. So we put a drop cloth over it, just 1 layer thick. That allows it to slide, and now we're going to show you how well Dad does when he's cutting this board. We've already ripped it down, and you can see it's getting a perfect fit once he gets it lined up. There we go. And now he's going to rip a 6-foot board down. As you can see, that thing is perfectly flush to the fence. He's already ripped it once.
That's our cut line.
That's our cut line that he's ripping by. You just have to take your time. You can't rush it. Definitely not a fast process, but it gets the job done with a minimal investment. Plus, we don't have a lot of room for a full-size saw. At least not right now. Now he's going to take a 6-foot level, and we'll show you just how straight this bad boy is. Hold on. Okay. I mean, you look down through there.
Don't get much better than that.
That sucker is straight.
If somebody built this set of cabinets for us and brought them in and set them up for us, it'd be around 8 grand based on the price per foot that we see out there.
Yeah.
Talking with local guys who are not high dollar, they're your average.
Yeah, that's the going rate, and it's right around $8,000 to $9,000, and we've got $1,200 in lumber.
Yep, and a table saw.
And a table saw. You can get the job done, you just got to want to do it.
Ingenuity and
it takes a little bit of extra time setting up for some of these cuts because we don't have a 52-inch fence.
We're getting it done.
When we get the houses going, we're going to have a big table saw, but for now, this gets the job done. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Just wanted to show you what the master over here is capable of when he takes his time.
Determination.
Yeah.
I grew up with basically nothing, so you made do with what you had and made it work. And
yep.
You can make things happen if you just put your mind to it.
Have a good one, guys. Hope you enjoyed this.
See you next time.